Hey, so we have made it to Ocala, and yet another place where we have been able to disabuse our own notions of what Florida is like. So we have stopped here at the recommendation of some YouTubers, and we have found some, I would say, top 5 things we've ever done. But before we get into this episode, just want to remind you to like and subscribe and make comments on our videos. That helps us really understand what it is you like and helps us with our future content for videos. So we appreciate it if you hit the like button and hit the subscribe. But now let's get into today's video. We're off.
We're off, we are.
On an adventure.
Yes.
I always say that though, but this really is.
This is one. This
Yes.
should be fun.
We are going to Crystal Springs. I think that's what it's called. We're going to swim with the manatees.
Yes.
And we heard about this at the Tampa RV show. Somebody had just gone and said it was fabulous. So we are heading over there from Ocala, about an hour's drive, and we will absolutely take pictures.
Yes, exactly.
And videos.
Yes.
Anything else you'd like to say?
I think that's it.
Are you sure? I feel like I talk too much. All right, off to the manatees.
Alrighty. Well, we're here for this multi-siren manatee tour.
Yes, we are. So, Captain Kim, you just said that when's the best time for optimal manatee viewing, knowing that you're not God?
Optimal
Yes.
if all the weather is like it should be. We say November through March. That is our manatee season, but truth be told, if you can plan it according to the weather and you don't have to plan it very far in advance, when we've got cold weather, that's the best time, because those manatees will be in the springs trying to thermoregulate, so we'll have a bigger concentration in a smaller area.
Well, I can't wait to see us some manatees. You're promising hundreds and thousands of them, right?
I wouldn't say hundreds and thousands. I'm going to tell you, he'll have the drone up. For every 10 that you see, there's probably 100 that you're not going to see. And that will become evident when he pulls that drone back and you actually see how many are around you. But yes, you're going to see a plethora of manatees.
And isn't that something else that's somewhat unique about your tours that you do have the drone for helping to find them?
Yes. So
and to get the pictures from above?
Well, now that everybody knows we do that, they'll be doing it too, so it won't be unique anymore. But yes, we do. We actually use the drone to go ahead and locate the manatees in the clearest water, hopefully with the fewest people. We try to get you a more intimate experience. Our tours are based on off times, so there is a good probability that you'll have the manatees to yourselves, at least part of the tour. Not always, because I can't guarantee anything, but we do try.
Cool. Well, we're looking forward to it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we are at Rainbow Springs, and we have found three other couples that like to kayak at our RV park, and so we are going out to kayak on this lovely day. It's, well, you can see by the sweatshirts, it's still a bit chilly, but this is beautiful, so I can't wait to see how it's going to go. And we've got a couple of single kayaks and a couple of inflatable tandems, so we will share with you what we find.
So we will be.
We're going to catch you on camera.
Are you?
Yes, because it's important that we have your last will and testament. Since you did not bring your life preservers.
Well,
So
I can
explain
dog
this to
paddle
us.
really well.
All right. We're not rescuing you.
You don't like me that much, huh?
Not yet. You have to earn that. Come on. What are we doing, folks?
All right, let's go.
We're at Rainbow River, Florida. We're going to bike or paddle up to the head stream, and then we're going to head south down to Stuppies for lunch, or Swampies, I guess it's called.
Swampies. All right.
It's
And
about
what?
a 20-mile paddle, but I think this crowd can do it.
And this is what, Rainbow Springs?
Rainbow Springs.
Wait, this isn't 20 miles.
20,
You want it interesting.
20
These are
miles.
the people we have to deal with.
How can it be 20 miles? Because I got 386 miles to the
start
pullout.
Hi folks, we're at Rainbow Springs. We're going to paddle with a bunch of Canadians and some other Americans. You got to watch out for the gators. You can pet them on the head, but don't touch your tail. And we're about 5 miles from the takeout.
And it's the Canadians versus the Americans, right?
Yes,
That's what we're doing.
yes. We're gonna win because
Boys
we
in the
get.
boat.
All right, you guys, go to the
shuttle.
drop off or the whatever the heck it is.
Watch out for
I
the
heard a
tidal wave
splash. Did
That's
somebody
the way
fall
we do
in?
it.
there. We got some white water going on.